What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to complete Fragment of Life as well as Reawakened Light, which are two quests under faction quests, followed by the Demoness right over here under the Reawakened Sorcerers. Once you've spoken to someone, you'll need to go and head to the Abyss, where we'll be fetching the Fruit of Life from Brothertree. This one takes you all the way across to a spire, all the way to the far north, right over here, the Spire of Frost. And while you can head here and do it, if you've already completed the Spire of Frost, which I've got a guide linked down below, you can change layers to the Abyss instead of having to go through the entire thing again. And from here, you'll be taken across to the Abyss Island, Passage of Malice, which we can teleport to simplify things a lot. Teleport to the Skybridge Gate, just so we don't have to do the puzzle again / navigate our way through it, for which I've also got a guide linked down below if you need to do this one, assuming you haven't done it already. But on the very top of this island, you've got this monolith thing over here. We can travel up, and we've got this giant tree here with, inside of this hole, a glowing apple, which we can grab, or glowing something. Just climb onto the tree and then hold the interact button here when prompted, and you'll pluck something out of the tree. Now, for the Reawakened Light quest, we'll need to return to the Guardian Tree and then stick this into that. When you get to this location, just north of the Den River, north of Demoness, how exactly do we do that here? Well, looking around the base isn't going to get you anywhere. Run around the side until you see a hole in the tree, and very much like we plucked it out of the tree in the Abyss, you'll need to come across to it and plant it. Bam, just like that. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.